अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम सिंध बोर्ड की मैट्रिक क्लास की केमिस्ट्री के चैप्टर 1 हाइड्रोजन एंड वाटर की बुक की एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करेंगे। लेकिन वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट, काइंडली मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना मत भूलिएगा ताकि आने वाली तमाम नॉलेजेबल वीडियोस की अपडेट सबसे पहले आप तक पहुँचे। थैंक यू। तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो। एक्सरसाइज का पहला क्वेश्चन है फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। नेचुरल हाइड्रोजन कंटेन्स डैश परसेंट ड्यूट्रियम। नेचुरल हाइड्रोजन कंटेन्स 0.0156% deuterium. Nascent hydrogen is dash reactive than molecular hydrogen. Nascent hydrogen is more reactive than molecular hydrogen. Tritium is an dash of hydrogen. Its mass number is dash. Tritium is an isotope of hydrogen. Its mass number is 3 AMU. Natural hydrogen is mixture of 3 isotopes, namely dash, dash and dash. Natural hydrogen is mixture of 3 isotopes, namely protium, deuterium and tritium. The bond energy of H2 is dash. The bond energy of H2 is 104.3 kilocalorie per mole. The latent heat of fusion of ice is approximately dash per dash. The latent heat of fusion of ice is approximately 80 calories per gram. Ice dash over water because ice is a dash. Then water. Ice floats over water because ice is denser than water. The sterilization or disinfection of water is done by dash to destroy dash and dash. The sterilization or distillation of water is done by chlorine to destroy germs and bacteria. Water molecules are associated together by means of dash. Water molecules are associated together by means of hydrogen bond. Water is called as dash solvent. Water is called as universal solvent. एक्सरसाइज का दूसरा क्वेश्चन है फाइंड आउट ट्रू एंड फॉल्स इन द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स। Ordinary hydrogen is called protium. This statement is true. Hydrogen is a good oxidizing agent. This statement is true. Deuterium contains 1 proton and 2 neutrons. This statement is false. Deuterium contains 1 proton, 1 neutron and 1 electron. Hydrogenation is the process of addition of hydrogen. This statement is true. Electrolysis of water in the presence acid liberates H2 cathode and O2 gas at anode. This statement is false. During the process of electrolysis, H2 gas liberates at anode and O2 gas liberates at cathode. एक्सरसाइज का तीसरा सवाल है मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। Select all those things which result when sodium metal is placed in a beaker. A. H2 and NaOH. B. Sodium disappears after some time. C. Water becomes acidic. D. No action. Correct answer is B. Sodium disappears after some time. Hydrogen is a diatomic molecule with bond energy A. 200 kilojoules per mole. B. 100 kilojoules per mole. C. 104 kilocalories per mole. D. 150 kilocalories per mole. Correct answer is C. 104 kilocalories per mole. Deuterium is present in natural hydrogen in the ratio A. 1:1200. B. 1:15,000. C. 100:50,000. D. 1:18,000. Correct answer is B. 1:15,000. The electronegativity of hydrogen is A. 2.1, B. 3.0, C. 2.5, D. 1.0. Correct answer is A. 2.1. A human being consumes water about dash every day. A 5 liters, B 2 liters, C 1 liter, D 10 liters. Correct answer is A 5 liters. Polluted water is dash for drinking purpose. A unfit, B fit, C useful, D used. Correct answer is A unfit. Molecular mass of heavy water is A 18, B 22, C 20, D 16. Correct answer is C 20. The maximum density of water at 4 degrees centigrade is A 1.0 gram per cubic centimeter, B 0.998 grams per cubic centimeter, C 0.918 grams per cubic centimeter, D 1.2 grams per cubic centimeter. Correct answer is A 1.0 grams per cubic centimeter. The freezing point of heavy water is A 0 degree centigrade, B 3.81 degree centigrade, C 4 degree centigrade, D 1 degree centigrade. Correct answer is B 3.81 degree centigrade.